If you are wondering what Bluetooth audio codecs are supported on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the list includes, first of all, Samsung Seamless Codec, so SSC. Also, the SSC Hi-Fi is also supported. This is, of course, the Samsung's own audio codec that they have developed, and naturally, it is supported on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Besides that, we have the LDAC support as well. We have the AAC support, which is the advanced audio coding. This is the default high-quality audio codec. We have SBC, which is sub-band codec. We have aptX, but only the standard aptX audio codec is supported. And besides that, we have LC3, so low complexity communication codec. This one is also supported through Bluetooth LE audio or low energy audio. And that is pretty much it. So unfortunately, the list does not include aptX HD or aptX adaptive or aptX lossless. These aptX autocodecs are not supported, unfortunately, on Galaxy Z Flip 8, and also LHDC is not supported either. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.